Imagine opening your own unique events business that generates well over $2 million a year revenue. Well, that's exactly what Nadia did, and today we're gonna uncover the unique business model that she and others are using to reach financial freedom. I'm gonna show you how you can do it for yourself, and then I'm gonna give you my key takeaways you can apply to any business. So let's jump right into it. We're here in LA in front of Shot of Art, a $4 million a year art entertainment studio. We're gonna go check it out.
I'm Nadia. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Shot of Art. Come with me.
You want to give us a tour?
Yeah, for sure. I'm so excited to see you here, first of all.
Nadia is actually an immigrant from Russia, and before immigrating to the United States to launch her business Shot of Art, she actually ran a travel agency with over 70 employees that was generating millions of dollars a year. But as you can imagine, when COVID hit,
COVID-19,
nobody was traveling, so they had to figure out how to keep that business running. Unfortunately, they ended up having to close that business. They left from Russia, came to the United States, and that's where they came up with the idea, Shot of Art, this unique event studio where you can come in, you can bring your friends, you can bring your family, and rather than tell you, let's just take a closer look at her business.
Here's where the magic happens. We have about 3 art rooms for the private art experiences here. Let's go to this one.
So what is Shot of Art? Shot of Art, unique event studio. They offer a wide range of different experiences you can pay for, from pouring paint over a bear. You can fill up your own paint into water balloons, hang it over a spinning canvas, shoot the water balloons with BB guns, and then while they're there in the event space, they upsell different services and different merchandise. There's different upsell opportunities that way.
I'm Johnny, and I'm Sergio. And I'm gonna take this gun and expose this multi-million-dollar business. Yo, chill. This feels real. This feels like a real gun.
It's a toy gun.
All right, rules. No slop around here. We gotta call our shot. We have to say which balloon we're gonna hit, and then that's when we gotta hit. So apparently Johnny thinks he's a better shot than me, so we'll see.
Blue in the middle. That's that middle.
Oh! All right, I'm going orange right there on the right. All right, I'm going teal. I'm going teal on the bottom. All right.
There we go.
Go in the splash zone, bro. Oh!
Wow. We did that?
Yeah.
We did that.
I mean, mostly me because I was getting all the shots, but.
How much would you charge for something like this? Masterpiece?
It's priceless. Your masterpiece is priceless.
Yeah.
But you know what we can do? We could just do it like for charity on your YouTube channel, like the masterpiece created by you.
Yeah, we could. Or better yet,
One winner could win this.
yeah.
One subscriber could win this.
Or better yet, we can throw it up for auction and let you guys bid on it. Nadia said, These type of unique experience businesses are super fragmented. There's no one company that owns more than 1% of the market. You can come in, start one of these businesses, and crush it, and you don't really have to worry about competition because it's just so fragmented. Which leads me to the next point, marketing this business. I mean, look at how colorful it is, look at how unique it is. It's so easy to take really cool Instagram pictures. You gotta think too, inside Shot of Art, you've got Instagram photo ops. Shot of Art's growth strategy is let's have some Instagram photo ops so you can take some pictures with your friends, your significant other, whoever you take, post on Instagram, get tagged, and guess what? People are like, oh my gosh, what is this? I've never seen this before. Click on the page, all the color, all the action shots, and then they want to go to. Talk to me about your private parties and other ways you make money.
We have a lot of corporate clients, and it makes about 10% of our revenue, like in a year, 100,000 from the corporate events, because they're always looking for something cool things to do. I'm absolutely sure that this is one of the best places for your team building, because you can create something cool together, like as a team, one big masterpiece.
The second way I would grow this business is by building out a small sales team. Ideally somebody who's going to do prospecting and build relationships with the different Fortune 500 companies who want to take some of their teams and divisions out for fun, unique team building experiences. That's another line of business that can be very, very big, and there's a lot of big businesses that crush it just off of corporate events. I mean, think about it, guys. The business has only been around a few years, and you've seen it when you talk to Nadia throughout the video. Look at how she just lights up when she talks about how unique and how much thought and energy and effort she put into creating this business.
But inside of each of us, there is a little kid who could just do our life brighter. So here's the kid who giving the hands to adult who's hiding under umbrella and say, hey, let's go with me, let's go to all those bright colors. And you know, when we were kids and we want to draw like everywhere. And when I were a kid and I want to draw, my mom just gave me a piece of paper and pen. Okay, you can draw, but you want to draw everywhere. And now I'm doing this. I will show you. And so yeah, This is a little bit about what we want to show here at Shot of Art.
Going out, you have no proof of concept, you have no product market fit, and you launch a business and you just hope and pray it works. And it did. And guess what? In just a few years, each of them are at $2 million a year. Shot of Art's already crushing it in their corporate location. Nadia just rolled out franchising. She's already got a couple, but she's looking to sign more franchises.
Exciting news. We've launched franchise opportunities of Shot of Art.
And that's really where the growth of this business is going to go. If you think about it, it's really hard to build a massive chain of corporate-owned locations, and it's a lot easier to franchise because then you can get people to partner. And yeah, you give up more revenue not having corporate-owned, but you get all the systems, you get all the playbooks. As a new franchisee, you don't have to figure out and deal, what supplier should I talk to? How should I negotiate the leases? Nadia and her team are going to do all that for you, which is super cool. And I think it's a great way on her end to grow the business. If I had to make a guess, I would totally bet that Shot of Art will be at 100 locations in the next 5 to 7 years.
I just want to wish all your followers to follow their dreams, and if they want to do something, to don't be afraid, to go forward, to follow their dreams. You could do anything, just follow the plan.
Follow the plan and follow the channel by subscribing down below. Very great words.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. And if you like content like this, let me know in the comments below. Leave a like, hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Masterpiece.